explaining the process to her son. He came in to do a tour of the lab today so he can kind of see what we're doing. And this is wonderful, fam. She giving her son a couple pointers about what he's doing.
So I'm gonna stop it here. And then I'm gonna start back and tie it in and run it all the way out. You ready?
She's gonna do a stop and start, tie in on the T-joint.
You see my angle?
All right, hold up before you start back. Knock it out. Come over here so you can see it, fam. You see what she doing. We want to see the whole process. You did good. So now she gonna tie back into that and finish that well out.
Yeah.
And that's stopping and starting. What you have to do that a lot when you're building things. So say if it's break time, you want to hurry up and go. You got to stop. So you got to get used to stopping and starting. So that's what she's doing.
So now I'm gonna tie it into it.
Mm-hmm. Man, this is awesome. Leading by example. A mother teaching her child what she has learned in welding. Woo! Woo! You gotta be proud of her, man. You gotta be proud of her. I'm proud of her just because she doing it. Oh, check that out, y'all. She done dropped some dimes over here. She got some platinum. Hey, you gotta be proud of her. She finna do it, fam. She finna do it. She finna get that bag. All gone.